good, everybody? We vlogging out here. Finna go to Virginia Beach.
Is that YouTube?
It will be.
What's going on? We are
vlogging.
Did you tell our lovely people what we're doing today? Where we're going?
Nah, go ahead.
What's going on, guys? Appreciate y'all tuning in. So we're actually pay attention. Going to a card shop in Chesapeake. We've been invited to go, but at the same time, you know what? I don't think I want to take this route here.
There's gonna be a red light in the middle. You can't use it. You can't even go there. I got a ticket.
Shit. For real?
See,
man?
Monday through Friday, 3 to 6, no access. You're gonna have to go down to like the Fort Monroe exit or something.
Word. So should I just make a big circle?
Nah,
Like,
you're
make
gonna
it
have to get
You know what I mean?
on to like the third one, way over there,
Word.
or go out to where.
Nah, I'm gonna be stuck. I gotta make a big circle.
Yeah, boy.
But yeah, we're going. Well, first we're going to Virginia Beach because Marcel wants to go to Legoland. But Legoland, and then I have some trades or some cards I'm gonna buy from this guy, really good deal. And then on top of that, we've been invited. Like everything is just happening. Like all the stars are lining up, or whatever you want to say it. But I have another guy that reached out to me and said that they have a card shop, and he talked about me, which is cool because I stream and stuff, and that they're open to or interested in streaming like an event, Lorcana, like tournaments and getting everybody together and have fun. And I'm really excited. I got Marcel with me because I can't do it on my own. I could try, but I just feel like it's just gonna take a lot more time if I were to try to figure everything out.
But together.
So don't
Not
get
this
on
middle one.
Oh.
Nah, this is the ticket lane.
Okay. So
Right here, and then you're gonna have to like go
make
up
a U-turn
to,
and go out to where. Okay, I see.
Not a U-turn. Go up to where Mallory, and then get on
Monroe?
go to Mallory and get on the exit there.
I
don't know
Kinda
why
like
they've been
we're going
doing
to
this.
McDonald's?
Yeah,
Okay, I got you.
I don't know why they've been doing this. This is stupid. But
You
it's
can actually get a
$50.
ticket? Oh no, I'm good on that.
Yep, I got a ticket.
Yeah, but yeah, we're super excited. I'm glad Marcel's here with me today, but because we gotta be there. It's almost 4 o'clock, so we gotta meet up with my guy, buy the cards at this shop at 6, and then meet up at Chesapeake, which is like what, 15-20 minutes.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna meet up with them. But yeah, everything seems to be coming together, and I'm really excited because me and Marcel have been talking a long time about pushing content. So you guys subscribe, leave a comment on stuff that you guys want to see or what you're interested in, and me and Marcel, we have a big network of people, so you guys leave it down below what you guys are interested in and what you want to see.
Yeah,
But
we're gonna be vlogging the whole day.
yeah, but yeah, we're branching out. We're today is more of like a Lorcana focused thing, and if we're
Legos.
able, and Legos. Yeah, I'm sorry. And Legos.
And we're gonna be trying Jollibee.
Oh yeah, Jollibee. Yeah, if you guys know what Jollibee is, or I never went there, and I don't think Marcel has either. But if you guys got like something that you like off the menu, leave it down in the comments below what you like, or food or items that you recommend for me and Marcel to try. But yeah, we never been, so we're gonna try it out. Super excited. I didn't even think about that.
But that's just a pop in, yeah.
All right, cool, gotcha.
That's just a pop in, pop out kind of thing.
Yeah.
If it's open.
You know where it's at though, right?
Beach. Google does.
Turn off that. And then I go straight. Lego land.
Yeah, you have to wait.
I can't turn on that again. Dang.
But we're gonna be doing that.
Yeah, I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited.
Myself, I'm gonna do like a cool transition thing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, nice. I like that.
At this Lego bookstore. Oh. $200 for that. Minecraft sets. Yeah, it's an official Lego store, so I'm gonna have to definitely come back over here one day. All right.
What is that? What does a homeboy say on Saturday Night Live? He's like racist.
Well, my stuff is done already. Oh, that's your stuff. Yeah, we at Jollibee. Jollibee now. We're finna try all the stuff they got. We're gonna try it all. I got a bunch, so if you're lucky, you might get a mukbang. That's a lot of food.
This drink right here. We got this Jollibee sandwich and then this chicken. Let's take a look at this chicken.
Pull that chicken out.
Chicken Zach. Oh, like somebody mama made this. Oh, they got the look. Is that pineapple?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You don't like pineapple?
No, I do.
Oh.
I'm gonna show this now. They got a hamburger right here. And you know how much all this was? $20.
Mine was 34.
Yours was what?
34.
Why?
I got chicken tenders as well.
For real?
And a cake. I got that cake.
You got a cake?
Got that mango cake. Oh yeah. That's mine right here. Got my chicken tenders, my sandwich, my burger. Let's see how big this burger is, man. Yeah. Good God. That thing is good. Alright, I'm about to eat this. We made it to the liquor store. To that rainstorm, yo. We're all soaking wet.
Oh, take a look at that car there.
What car? Oh, the Lamborghini? Oh, no, wait, is that Killer B? Oh, no, it's not. I thought it was Killer B.
Is it?
No.
Oh, it's not.
It might be the car, but it's not.
No, it's
Killer
not.
B.
No, it's not. It's not.
Okay. So they got the Duplo box. We don't play with those. We ain't kids. We don't play with those Legos. We don't play with those Legos. We're not those kind of kids. Oh, this is something that I would get. I don't really want the overly big one. There's one like this, but it's like
Smaller.
Yeah, this one's the smaller version. The other one was like 300.
Kind of like one of these.
Oh, that's the
Yeah.
Wizards Bank.
Hey, let's pick a set, dude. What are you thinking?
They got that Bowser set, man.
Which one?
I am probably going to end up getting. This is actually pretty cool right here. I like that a lot. Oh, these are the shops, the mini shops. Oh, and they have like little Lego people. That's so cool. They have models of Legos sets. That's incredible. But I am looking more into this type of stuff. I want to get into this right here, this Lego set. So you have the museum, and this is what I'm going to probably end up getting one day. It is the Tudor corner. Oh, it's not even it probably stops right where that light pole is. Yeah. So the jazz club. That's what I'm gonna end up probably getting. The Dungeons and Dragons set is dope. Joseph, you got Dungeons and Dragons.
For real?
They got Dungeons and Dragons and Lord of the Rings.
Oh, she would love that, man.
That's on
I'm gonna show her
$350.
that. I'm gonna show her that.
$350.
She would like that.
Oh, they got Twilight. That's cute.
She would prefer
Adorable.
this one. Yeah, she would definitely enjoy that.
Yeah, you can make, look at this.
It is.
It's a space Lego roller coaster.
I'm probably gonna buy just a Lego.
I'm gonna get one of the keychains.
Really?
Yeah, like 5.
Are you gonna use the person or just use the key as a keychain? Right. Which one are you thinking?
Except maybe for the mustaches.
Oh. 3 for the minifigs. You built your own minifig, like the other place had, except you get 3 for $99. Yeah. The other one was 4. So I might do that. I might build 3 here. I ain't seen one of these in a hot minute, man. But we left the Lego store, Jollibee, which actually we need to go ahead and just like give you our takes. So Joe, I'm doing my part now. Takes on Jollibee. So whatever you do, don't get no burgers. No burgers from Jollibee. Jollibee. Don't get no kind of burgers. Right?
It's called
Jollibee. Don't get no burgers from there. They taste like
vegan.
It tastes like vegan, plant-based, veggie burgers. So, what did you think about your burger?
And that's why I thought it was kind of different, because remember when I ate it and I made that face?
Yeah.
It was different.
He was like, it's definitely different.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Which
That's
is a
exactly
nice
what I
way of
said.
saying.
Yeah, it's definitely different. Because, I don't know, like, it didn't taste meaty, pause, but it wasn't,
Meaty.
it wasn't
Okay.
like,
Now, what about your chicken sandwich?
the chicken sandwich I enjoyed, but
I thought mine was
I give
okay.
it like I give it like a 7, but I'm a little biased because I like Zaxby's, I like Chicken C2, but I don't know Chicken C2
I don't,
available to
a lot of these people are not gonna know what chicken seed
Oh,
is.
they not?
No.
Okay, yeah. So
This is worldwide right here.
It's like a mom and pop type thing.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I like that. It's one of those mom and pop stores. But I like my chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich was okay.
Yeah,
The best thing for what I had was the chicken tenders. Chicken tenders was definitely better than Raising Cane's
What about the
with the
sauce,
same exact sauce.
Same sauce? That's crazy.
Same sauce with better chicken.
Dang.
That peach cobbler pie, no, peach mango pie.
Yeah. How was
It
it?
was like, alright. I like the crispiness of it.
Yeah.
It was a different texture,
Yeah.
but the inside tastes. I don't know. I don't think I like hot. I don't think I like hot
You
peaches.
know what? I should have got a
We're at the
I
grocery
should've
store
got a
now.
dessert. I should have got a dessert.
Yeah, you should have got
Yeah,
one.
I should have got.
You're getting some cookies now too, you fat.
Well, this is not.
He's gonna be doing a 24-hour stream tomorrow, or in about 8 hours. So link in the description. Link in the description for his YouTube and Twitch. He's a Twitch streamer more than he is a YouTuber. I'm the YouTuber. But it was an overall fun day. We went to Atlantis, a comic store.
Yeah, we went to Atlantis. We went to
Brick something.
Legos.
It's a Lego. It's a secondhand Lego store.
Was it secondhand?
Yeah, they're not.
Oh, they're not Lego.
I don't. They might be a Lego official,
Oh,
but it's not Lego.
You know what's crazy? Remember one of that starships you was looking at and you said it was expensive? They were
$1,100.
the same price.
Oh.
It was $70. That long.
Oh, not
flagship.
not the big one.
Not the big one, but kind of like that.
From Atlantis.
Yeah, because remember we were looking at they were the same price at all Lego stores. Even the off junk, even the off brand junk. Yeah, it was all $70.
I don't know. The taxes might be different. Where? So it was those two, the brick store. Then we went to Lego, Jollibee. Where we go after Jollibee? We went to Lego after. We went to Jollibee, then Lego, and then we went to Comic Kings.
Yeah, we went to Comic Kings.
So we went to 2 car shops, 2 Lego stores, and Jollibee.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we was done.
Total probably an hour of traffic.
Oh yeah, we was in traffic longer than we probably was anywhere else. So, because somebody didn't want to leave at 2, wanted to sit there and play Marvel Rivals till 3 o'clock. I'm like, yo, we gotta get in front of this traffic, man. Everybody getting on work at 3 o'clock. So, but that's gonna wrap up our day. They can't see you. Thanks for watching. We might do some more of these.